Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session in Excel. How to change sheet tab colors. And so just try to learn one of the method from format button. I will show you. So two popular methods we have. So if you look at this is the place where yesterday you have learned how to insert the sheet. Okay. How to change this tab color like this. Okay. Let's try to check this. The first one is how to change sheet tab colors. What is format button and different ways. But let's see two popular ways. That's what I told you. Okay. Let's go back to the session. Okay. So this is my YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe it. So let me open the Excel. So I think you have seen, right? Yesterday, these are the tabs. Like, if you look at this, these are the sheet tabs. Okay. These tabs are called menu tabs. Try to understand the difference between the terminology. Okay. Whatever it is coming from my mouth, you just follow so that, it will be useful to you. Okay. Anyhow, it doesn't make any sense as long as you can able to perform actions on Excel. So I would like to change this with color. Let me show you the first method. Just right click, okay, right click on the sheet and go to the tab color. Okay, you can able to choose the color here. For example, I'm choosing the red here. Okay, if I come here, so now you can able to see this, it is in red color. Let me show you how to change the tab color here. Okay, with another color. For an example, I'm changing to violet. Okay, so now it is changed to violet. This is how, this is one of the method. Right click, like 4 or 5 methods will be there. 2 methods are sufficient. Don't complicate yourself remembering shortcuts and all those things. It is quite easy. So if you practice this, your fingers should remember any software, whatever you do practice. Okay. So now if you come here, so this is the sheet details. Now you come to know the method one, like right click and go to the tab color and choose your color. It's quite simple as it is. And let me show you, okay, something here. Okay, there is something called, okay, here, one second. Let me go to the home first. Now you can able to see this. This is the format. You can see this when I put the cursor here. So which button is belongs to, like, which tab or else which control is belongs to, you can able to see. If you put the cursor from your mouse or else your laptop cursor, you'll come to know what exactly. This is format. Change the row height and columns, organize the sheet and the product height cells. So all these things he has given potentially. In this tab, there is one more option called tab color. Okay. So if I would like to change the tab color, let's choose the tab. Okay. And let's go to the format now. Okay. Let's click on the tab color. I would like to make it this one as blue color. Now, if you check this, this is changed to blue color. Now, if I go to the one more, let me try to change it here. Okay. Go to the tab color and let's try to make it maybe yellow. Okay, I can able to change. This is how you can able to change the tab colors of a sheet. Okay, if you don't want to do it. Okay, so if you press Control Z, okay, it will go. Okay, if I press Control Y, if it go to the previous action. So like if you wanted to do undo, okay, undo means if you wanted to reset it back your previous setting. If you wanted to redo means again is opposite to undo. Okay, if you press Control Y, okay, you'll get it. Okay, so probably like for tabs, Control Y it will not work. Better do Control Z. So if let me show you one more method, one more thing here. So you got a tab colors. If you don't want to make it no color, you can remove like this also. Like this also you can do either Control Z or this one. This is how you can able to change this. I think you got introduced this button in this session, the format. Okay. So remaining, whatever the controls are there, that we are going to see in future sessions. Now you'll come to know, right, how to change the color. Let me show you again. So let me try to make it this color, red. Okay, like that, you can able to change it. Okay, so let's give the task. Okay, so your activity. Okay, so activity one, what you can able to do is, okay, change tab, sheet tab. Okay, sheet tab colors using right click. Okay, so for that, what you can able to do is create 6 tabs. Okay, so you can do it. First 3 tabs, change color with red, green, yellow. Okay, so this is the task one. Okay, change the sheet tab colors using right click. So this is for practice I'm giving you. So second is create, go to format, choose tab color. We'll learn slowly. Basics are very, very important. And choose. Here I told you 6 tabs, right? Remaining. Choose remaining 3 tabs with black and yellow and maybe red. You can able to choose this. This is the 2 activities you have to do it. So as far as the homework is concerned, okay. So I think you got introduced to format button. We're going to see further details in future. So thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Uh, Wishing you all the best, and let's catch up in next session. Please don't subscribe my channel. Okay. Have a great day.